Mountain biking is not just a sport, it's an adventure. It's a chance to explore the outdoors, push your limits, and experience the rush of adrenaline that comes with riding a bike on rough terrain. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newbie, mountain biking offers endless possibilities for adventure and personal growth. One of the biggest draws of mountain biking is the sense of freedom it provides. Unlike road biking, which is often confined to designated bike lanes and paved surfaces, mountain biking takes you off-road, into the wild. You can explore remote trails, navigate technical terrain, and challenge yourself to push your limits. Of course, mountain biking is not without its challenges. It requires physical stamina, technical skill, and mental focus. But the rewards are worth it. When you conquer a difficult trail or make it up a steep climb, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment that is hard to match. In addition to the physical benefits, mountain biking also provides a mental escape. When you're out on the trail, you're forced to focus on the present moment. You're fully engaged in the experience, taking in the sights, sounds, and smells of the natural world around you. Mountain biking also offers opportunities for camaraderie and social connection. You can join a local riding group, participate in races or events, or simply hit the trails with friends. You'll find that the mountain biking community is welcoming and supportive, with a shared passion for the outdoors and adventure. So, if you're looking for an exhilarating challenge that gets your heart pumping, a change in your lifestyle, and a chance to get closer to nature, consider exploring off-road mountain biking trails a try. It's a thrilling adventure that can provide endless opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Just remember to wear a helmet, bring plenty of water, and most importantly, have fun.